Go here and click run once. It takes only a few seconds and that's all. I'm gonna go here again and this is write a message. Subject, test email there. This is a test image very well. It's a brief email, okay? You can add more details if you want. Remember, this message depends of this database. I said Alice, but I could say send a message to Brian, Carla, depending of this list of people that I have here. Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to create an agent that will send personalized emails to your customers based on a database. And here we have the flowchart. This AI agent will be able to read your database, and every time when you ask it to write an email to a contact, it will search your database and, depending on the information, send a message to the appropriate person. Okay? Are you ready? Let's dive into it. I'm gonna save the S and we're gonna create from scratch here. So click here, create a new scenario. Once you're here, the first module that I'm gonna add here is Slack. Okay? For this, you can create your Slack account, and when you got it, the first thing here, I'm gonna add a new channel. Create a new channel. Okay? This will be private for this example. I'm gonna type the name here. This will be people database. I'm gonna create a skip for now, and that's all. Let's jump into make.com again here, and I wanna watch this private channel. Okay, I'm gonna select this people database. I'm gonna limit. I'm gonna type here only one, and that's all. Click save, and the next module. Here comes the AI agent. Run an agent. And here in this part, I'm gonna create a new agent. Okay, click here and select your account. And the name will be the same. People database. The model for this example, I'm gonna choose this. And the prompt, I'm gonna use a simple prompt. Simple prompt, some simple and short prompt. Okay. And here I'm saying you're an agent who writes brief emails. That's all. I'm gonna click save. I'm gonna add a new tool. But first of all, before I do it, I'm gonna create a new scenario. For now, I'm gonna click save. Save again here. Okay. And in this part, I'm gonna create a new scenario. This scenario will contain our database. So I'm gonna choose Google Sheet for this example and search rows. Okay, perfect. Now, in this case, I'm using this database. The name is people database, and this is the name. These are the IDs. This is the name, the last name, the age, email, city. You can add new fields here. But for this example, I'm gonna use this. So let's go again here. And in this part, I'm gonna search this database. Okay, this is people database. That's the name, that's it one, and that's all. Click save. And in this part, I need the answer of this. For this, I'm gonna search scenarios, return output. Click here, and I'm gonna create this output. Click here. I'm gonna type a name here. It could be short name, people, database. That's all. Click save. I'm gonna make a simple test here. Run once. Perfect. I'm gonna have here, and I'm gonna make a connection. I'm gonna search here for the name. In this case, the name, first name. Click save. Again, I'm gonna run once, and I'm not hearing the output here. This is a name. Okay, perfect. Now I wanna type this, save again, and I'm gonna put it on demand. Okay, activate this scenario, and well, that's all. I'm gonna go into the first scenario again, and here again, I'm gonna sort by, and in this part, choose again the first. Okay, okay, and in this part, I'm gonna add this new tool. Add new tool. I'm gonna select this last scenario that I've created. Integration Google Sheets, a scenario, a description. I'm gonna type something simple like this. People database. Okay. I'm gonna click here. And here in this part, I'm gonna add the new ID. This will be the bot ID. Okay. In additional system instructions, I'm gonna type here, this is the message, and this is a text. That's all. Click save. In the last module, I need the answer on the Slack. For here, I'm gonna create a message. Okay. The channel ID, I'm gonna select from the list. This is a private channel. The name was people database. And the text, it is the response of the previous module. And that's all. Perfect. Now it's time to make a final test. Okay, I'm gonna go into Slack again here. And in this new channel that I created, I'm gonna type here something simple like write a message to Alice. Okay, I'm gonna send this and go here and click run once. It takes only a few seconds and that's all. I'm gonna go here again and this is write a message. Subject, test email there. This is a test image very well. It's a brief email, okay? You can add more details if you want. Perfect. That's all. Okay? Remember, this message depends of this database. I said Alice, but I could say send a message to Brian, Carla, depending of this list of people that I have here. Okay? That's all, I think. And here you can add more details to make the email more specific to that database. You can also add another module to send these emails to respective email address. For example, I can add here a Gmail account and I can send email. And in this part, you can select and send this email from the previous module. Okay? Well, I think that's all for today. Remember, you can download this blueprint. I'll leave the link in the video description. And if you have any question, leave them in the comments. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next video.